Welcome back. In this video, we'll be looking at card. So a card is used to display a single data point, like a KPI, total sales, count of customer, or average rating. It's a great way to highlight a key number on your report dashboard. It's a great way to analyze or to highlight a key number on your report dashboard. So I'm walking us through on how to create Power BI card. Firstly, I like to show us a sample of Power BI card. So if you look at this dashboard, the cards are the total months, total hour, total reasonings. So these are the cards. You can see them displayed on the dashboard. So let's dive into it on how to create our cards. So we'll be looking at some examples on how to or the columns we'll be making use of are sales, profits, quantity, and discounts. So don't forget, card is used to display a single data point. So let's dive into it. So you click on the card visual, then click on the sales. So this card, this is sample card, 2.30 million sum of sales. So this is an example of a card. This card can also be formatted by clicking on format your visual. So you have visual, you have colored value, then you have category label. So you can format the colored value. You can decide to increase the font size. You can decide to you can decide to change the color. You can decide to change the display unit. Then value decimal places. So you can decide to do some formatting on it. So let's just make it bold, a little bolder. So this is for the color out value. So the color can also be changed. The color can also be changed. So you have the display units, you have also, you have none, you have thousands, you have millions, billions, and trillions. So let's look at the category level. On the category level, we have the front color. You can change the front color, you can change the font size. You can change the font size, front color to black. Let's make it to bold. So this is for the category label. So for the background color, to change the background color of this card, you click on general, then effects. So on effects, we have the background color. So the background color can be changed also. So this background color can be changed. Put it off, you can put it on. You can increase the transparency as for the background color. So also have shadow. You can put on the shadow. Put on the shadow. Also the visual border. Visual border can also be put on. You can also make it under the visual border. We have color. We have rounded. So you can make it a rounded border. So there are more formatting you can do on this. So while going through it, check difference between each of those tools. So this is just number card. Number card display single value. We use the number card to display single value. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Our next section will be on text card. Thank you and stay tuned.